At Impress Computers, we know that you want to be a trusted CPA firm leader who protects client data and ensures your team can work without disruption. In order to do that, you need an IT partner that is responsive, security-focused, and understands the compliance needs of CPA firms like yours. The problem is, your current IT provider is slow to respond and does not understand the cybersecurity or compliance risks CPA firms face, which makes you feel anxious and frustrated that you are paying for support but still worrying about security and system reliability. We believe IT should make your life easier, not harder. It is wrong that you are paying someone else and still worrying about your technology. We understand how frustrating it is when your IT systems do not work and your provider does not respond quickly, especially during tax season, which is why we guarantee 15-minute response times, specialize in CPA firm compliance, and have supported accounting practices in Fusting for over 10 years. Here is how we do it. Schedule a free discovery call to discuss your firm's IT and compliance needs. We perform a complete security and systems assessment. We implement a tailored support plan and become your ongoing IT partner. So schedule a free 15-minute discovery call with one of our IT advisors today. And in the meantime, download our free CPA cybersecurity checklist to see if your firm is protected, so you can stop worrying about compliance gaps and IT failures that could hurt your reputation, and instead have peace of mind knowing your data is secure, your systems run smoothly, and your team can focus on serving clients. Impress Computers.